Hi there, scholars and families. So last Friday, we celebrated our Scholarship Assembly Day, and I asked you guys and urged you guys to just ask questions. It's something you can challenge yourself with. Be ever curious. Wonder where things came from, why things work, how you can make them better, and really forge that path for you to find your learning and learn about things that you're really passionate about. So today's very last Earth Week video is just supposed to be a little bit of inspiration for you to learn about the wonderful, weird, creepy things that are out there just to get your brain started. Imagine big, look for answers, research them, and keep your brain learning. See you soon, scholars.
These are the 10 creepy sea creatures you didn't know existed. Goblin shark. It is a living fossil that dwells in sea depths greater than 330 feet. Its notable characteristics are its super elongated snout and terrifying protruding jaw, completely armed with hundreds of jagged needle-like teeth. Sea pig. Not to be confused with these sea pigs. This sea pig is a multiple tube-footed sea creature that has a close relation to the sea cucumber, except that this cucumber is locomotion-driven. Often found in large groups, the sea pig uses hydraulic pumps that fill its legs with water to absorb organic food that has fallen to the floor from the ocean's surface. Deep-sea hatchet fish. Rising out of their dark abyss only at nighttime, these 4-inch-long sea creatures have very unusual faces, something seen straight out of a bizarre nightmare. With huge bulging eyes pointed upward, this feature is used for hunting food above them. Blobfish. Considered as one of the ugliest animals ever discovered, this gelatinous fish lies in the deep waters off of Australia and New Zealand. It lacks muscles, therefore simply floats around hoping food will wander into its mouth. Christmas tree worms. Christmas tree worms are named based on their colorful fir tree-like appearance. What's so unique about these creatures is they come in an endless array of colors. Their hair-like appendages are used for breathing and to catch food like phytoplankton. Flamingo-tongued snail. Here is a snail whose shell is encased in a brightly colored respiratory membrane. This is what the shell itself looks like on its own. It grows a maximum of 1.5 inches and feeds off the toxins released from gorgonians, or sea fans. The bright colors of the mantle serve as a warning of its toxicity. Vampire squid. When it feels provoked, its eyes glow, and the tips of each arm glow a bioluminescent blue to confuse its enemies. If that doesn't work, a strange reaction occurs in which the squid literally turns inside out, revealing rows of jagged teeth. Axolotl. The creepiest aspect about this Mexican underwater salamander is that it literally stays young for its entire life. It even mates with others while remaining in its childlike form. It can also regenerate entire body parts. Those hair-like ligaments protruding from its head serve as their means of respiration. Viper fish. This deep-sea dweller boasts teeth bigger than they can even fit in its own mouth, with knife-sharp fangs protruding upwards towards its eyes. Its long dorsal spine is attached to a photophone, a light-producing organ that creates bioluminescence used to distract and attract prey. Anglerfish. The male is born small, completely weak, and endlessly hungry with a keen sense of smell, a smell he follows his entire life, the smell of the female's pheromones. It is the female that is huge, ferocious, and powerful. The male bites the female. Poison seeps onto the male's lips and slowly begins to fuse his entire body to the female, except for the testicles, which the female uses to impregnate herself.